Go to MusicGPT tools using your web browser or mobile app. I'm going to be using my web browser here. The second one. Log in or create an account if needed. Click on Create at the left-hand side. Locate the prompt box. Click on Tools to see other free tools that you can use. We'll leave it on Create Anything since we are generating background music. Next step, enter a high quality prompt. This is the most important step. Use the structure, genre, mode, instrument, use case, tempo, and so on. Example, soft ambient piano music, calm and relaxing, background for YouTube. Avoid vague prompts like make music and you press enter, or create a song and you press enter alone, make something relaxing and you press enter, or you type intro music alone and press enter. All these are vague prompts. AI does not understand this, so the best way to put it is this: soft ambient piano music, calm and relaxing, background for YouTube. Once you're done with that, we come down to the tools down here, which is control. You can put a title to your song, is optional. You can adjust the intensity. You can see that the intensity is not active because I'm not using the pro version. And lastly, on the settings, you choose instrumental. So if you are using a pro version, you have the chance to increase the duration, tempo, style, and intensity. Remember, if you haven't signed in, don't forget to sign in. Then once that is done, I'll click on this arrow, which is generate or create. If you check under here, we have two versions already loading. We have version 1 and version 2. While we are waiting, don't forget that you are working based on credit. So I only have 400 free credits left. Immediately I exhaust this, I won't be able to generate anything here again. So you can either upgrade or wait till the next day. Okay. Version 1 is in. Let us wait for the other one. Version 2 is in. Version 1 is still loading. I think it's taking too much time. We can just quickly reload the page. Okay, you can see once I reload, the whole thing is in. Next step, review and regenerate. Very important. So we'll watch out, does it match the mood of our video? Is it distracting and all those stuff? So let me click this and open. Okay, I think this is okay for me. Okay. Very soft and calm. Okay, let's check the second one too. You can see it down here, the play button here. This is very nice too. Okay, I think I'm fine with the two versions. If it's not perfect, you can adjust your prompt slightly. For example, from the prompt, let me paste it back from the prompt. You can add more details to your prompt and adjust it slightly and regenerate again. But I'm okay with these two versions. The next step is I will click on this three dot here. Then I will click on download. You can see download initiated. It's downloading here on my Chrome. Then I can open it up. Here you can see also file format is very important. If you look at this format here, we have it in MP3, very important. So you can either download in MP3 or WAV file. Then the next step is for you to import the audio into your video editor. Now you can see how easy it is to create professional background music with MusicGPT. With the right prompt, you can generate exactly what your video needs in seconds. If this video helped you, subscribe for more AI and music content and drop a comment if you want advanced tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.